Hey everyone, Kensurfs here. We're not in the shave den. We're in a hotel room in Cambria, California, and it's time for another travel shave. I've been up here a few times before, and you've probably seen the videos. And well, I just want to kind of show you a shave and maybe some of the highlights of what I've seen in the last few days since I've been up here. I know a lot of you don't always get a chance to come out here to Central California. Usually I live in Southern California, but up here it's a really nice, peaceful getaway. Came up with my father-in-law and my wife, and we have been to ostrich farms, elephant seal lookouts, been by Hertz Castle, and just got back from Solvang Ranch looking at the Clydesdale horses. My father-in-law is a big fan of horses, and went out on the tour. So in fact, I'll show you some of those clips in the movie or in the video today. And here is the shaving kit I'm going to be using today. I just want to kind of show you. It's kind of a cool kit. I brought it, I think I've used it on one other video, but kind of reminds me of something out of a James Bond movie because it's all self-contained and it's made very well. And it's made in England, and it's probably from the 60s or 70s. But here is that. All right, well, here is the cool shave kit I was telling you about. I probably used this in the past. It's a nice leather case. Kind of a pain to open with one hand. We have our mirror, toothbrush, nice razor, made in England, Gillette Tech. What looks like salt and pepper containers are actually, that's a vent hole. So we have, I said, kind of a problem with one hand. Hey, look at that. We got the Wee Scot. Very good. Set this aside over here. Got the other one. Let's open that one up. And there we go, some Proraso. So we'll be using the Proraso, the Wee Scot today, and you get a real nice hairbrush too, but don't need to brush my hair. All right, and I'm gonna be using a Wilkinson sword Gillette today. So what a cool shave kit. I really like that. All right, so let's get started. All right, so as you saw in the kit, I've got the nice 3-piece tech razor. Going to be using this today. I've got the Wilkinson sword Gillette blade. Let us open this up. Without cutting ourselves, that would not be good. Put the blade right there. The base on. Very nice. Yeah, I really like this razor. It's a really good travel razor. A very efficient razor too. All right. I don't have my usual shave bowl, so I'm going to be using a shameless plug for Starbucks, a Starbucks cup with some hot water in it. And let us wet this face. Actually, we'll run some fresh water and wet this face. Get some Proraso ready. In fact, I'm going to put soak this for a second into the water. In fact, I'll just let it float in there. Let me wet my face and we'll get this shave started. You don't get very good hot water up here. There we go. I'm gonna have to do a face lather today with the Wee Scot. Put a little shave cream on there. Whoop, well, drop some. Let's try that again. Put a little shave cream on the end of the Wee Scot. There we go. It's amazing what you can do with a face lather. Sometimes it works really good, and sometimes it's terrible. Well, I hope you guys have had a great week. It's been nice. I haven't been out work. It's Tuesday today. My second day off work, second day up here. It's been a lot of fun. Had a big lunch. Went on a few tours. In fact, Here is yesterday at the ostrich farm. And again, if you don't want to watch these travel video portions, clips, you can just fast forward through. No problem at all. But here is yesterday at the ostrich farm. All right, here's the babies. Do not touch or feed the babies. Okay. Now these guys, holy cow, holy cow. All right. That was a lot of fun. My father-in-law, he just had some treatment for cancer. He has prostate cancer and he had some radiation treatment. We said when he was all done, we would come up here and take him on a nice getaway, and we have done that. All right, here we go. Get the soap off my nose. Now this is an efficient combo. Oh, very efficient combo. Yeah, so it's been nice up here. It's been in the low 60s. What are we, May the 12th or 13th or something? It's nice weather. It's been in the low 60s, a little windy, but really nice on that horse race ranch today. So this morning, before we went up to the Clydesdale ranch, you've seen this in my videos before. The elephant seals come, they have an elephant seal vista by Hearst Castle, and you can go and see all these crazy elephant seals. And the males have already left. It's just the females and the young ones there. And this is what that looked like today. So that was a lot of fun. Father-in-law hasn't been up here in about 9 years, so he got to see that. And finally, we just got back a little while ago from the Covell Clydesdale horse ranch, and they have not only Clydesdales but a couple of quarter horses. But it was a blast, and you get to go on they kind of tow you along on this I don't know, platform, whatever you want to call it, trailer. You get big seats. It seats about 40, but there's only 7 of us there. So here's what that looked like.
Got some serious skin issues. Yeah. You're gonna lose your hair clip right there. Oh, thank you. Oh, Bobo.
Hi, Max.
It's called feathers, and of course, when they just got a bath, they look so much fluffier than.
Hello. Hello. Oh, they're all coming over to greet. Hello.
Oh, look at that. One over here too. Oh. gosh.
They're running after you, Neil.
And that was a lot of fun. So I'll be heading back down to Southern California tomorrow, and then back to the work grind on Thursday. Man, this lighting in here is harsh, really harsh, bright as can be. All right. Put a little more shaving cream on there. And do a second pass. This little tube of Proraso works pretty well. Fits perfect into the shave kit. Yeah, it's about a 4.5 hour drive up here. It's about 275 miles, but you have to go through Los Angeles traffic, and then Ventura traffic, and Santa Barbara traffic, and Montecito traffic. See Prince Harry and Meghan out there, but yeah, Montecito, Oprah and everybody. But then you come to San Luis Obispo, and then you're up here. And we did go to Morro Bay, and really like it here. It's very relaxing. They've got a horseshoe pit. There's a backgammon. They got a couple of games out there we're going to be doing a bit later. And fire pits. In fact, here's what this place looks like. That was outside my room, and then the big courtyard. Sorry, it's my father-in-law calling me. He's probably ready for to get together, to go out and play some horseshoes. I gotta finish the shave first. Let's rinse off. Very nice. Another successful shave. Missed a spot here, hand. There we go. Success. Now, I did bring up some aftershave, Polo 67. I use this a lot. Look, you can kind of see almost gone. We'll hit that. Perfect. Well, there we go. Thank you very much for tuning in, and thank you very much for your subscriptions. I do appreciate it. Another travel shave. Similar areas. You've seen them before, but it's always an adventure for me. I always just love coming up here. It's just great to get away. If you're ever in Central California, check out these places if you want. The elephant seals is free, doesn't cost you anything. The ostrich farm, I think it was $5 to get on and feed those ostriches, not bad at all. And it was like $50 a person for an hour and 40-minute tour of that Clydesdale ranch. So that was just awesome. All right, everybody. Well, I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you all very, very soon. Bye for now.